The 2026 Honda Passport hits the midsize SUV scene as the fourth generation, raising the bar in terms of rugged look and off-road prowess. With a muscular look and loaded with advanced features, the design is made for both city folks and the wild at heart. Built solely in Honda's Alabama auto plant in Lincoln, Alabama, the process reflects Honda's commitment to precision engineering, innovative manufacturing techniques, and sustainability. In every phase of the manufacturing process, utilizing stamping metal sheets through the final QC, every Passport is made and tested with precision to meet one of the highest standards of durability, reliability, and driving performance. Prior to production, there are exhaustive design and engineering stages. The Passport features a boxier face with a smaller front overhang and hidden exhaust tips, contributing to its off-road approach and departure angles. The dimensions of the SUV are larger, featuring more space internally, with up to 2,178 liters of cargo when the rear seats are folded down. Honda design engineers collaborate with the manufacturing teams to design a production-friendly, yet visually handsome vehicle. The Passport rides on Honda's global light truck platform, which provides rigidity and stability. This platform accommodates the fitment of a 3.5-liter DOHC V6 engine, delivering 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, along with a new 10-speed automatic transmission. The iVTM4 all-wheel drive system with standard torque vectoring provides improved traction and handling, which makes the Passport well-suited for both on-road and off-road driving. The manufacturing process starts with body panel stamping. The steel coils of huge dimensions are rolled into the stamping presses, where they are formed into different body parts like doors, hoods, and fenders. These presses exert an extremely high pressure so that there is precision and accuracy in each of the panels. The utilization of high-strength steel helps in ensuring the body structure of the car to be both lightweight and durable, enhancing safety as well as fuel efficiency. After being stamped, these panels go through intensive quality inspections to identify any flaws. Laser scanning and computerized measuring equipment confirm that every part is within strict tolerances. Defects are either repaired or discarded to ensure Honda's high standards of quality. The body shop is where the panels are fitted together into the vehicle shell. State-of-the-art robotics and experienced technicians collaborate to weld and bond the parts, providing structural strength and alignment. Robotic arms make thousands of welds to form a rigid, crash-absorbing structure. Engineers also strengthen key areas, including the A-pillars and B-pillars, to provide occupant protection in a crash. The Passport's design supports both right-hand and left-hand drive layouts, which gives it flexibility for various markets. Once the body shell is complete, it goes to the paint shop. The vehicle here goes through a careful cleaning process to eliminate any contaminants. The body is then submerged in an electro-deposition bath, where it is coated with a corrosion-resistant primer. This guarantees that each Passport enjoys durable protection from rust and adverse weather conditions. Subsequent layers of paint, including the base color and clear coat, are applied using automated sprayers to ensure an even and flawless finish. The Passport is available in 8 colors, with 2 exclusive to the Trail Sport trims, Sunset Orange and Ash Green Metallic. High-tech curing ovens then bake the paint at controlled temperatures to ensure durability and a deep, lustrous finish. Honda is also devoted to reducing the environmental footprint in the paint shop. Water-based paint and advanced filtration systems lower emissions and waste. Robot precision in painting reduces overspray, making the process more efficient and environmentally sound. The body that is painted then progresses to the general assembly line where the various parts are mounted. These include the powertrain, suspension, interior trim pieces, and electronics. Honda Alabama Auto Plant embraces a one-floor policy, which establishes an interface for R&D, manufacturing, and procurement staff as early as during the initial phase of product planning. This process results in vehicle improvement and new process and tool creation to achieve more quality and efficiency, while making the Passport easier for associates to assemble. The assembly operation follows a linear flow, and a particular set of tasks is delegated to each station. Trained technicians collaborate with robotic systems for the installation of intricate components in precise manners. The wetting operation, wherein the engine and transmission are attached to the body, is among the most vital procedures in the process of assembly. Precision torque devices guarantee that each bolt and fastener is torqued exactly to specifications so that vibration and component misalignment problems are averted. Inside the Passport, attention to detail is paramount. The cabin features a 10.2-inch digital instrument display and a 12.3-inch color touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The TrailSport trims offer additional off-road friendly features like easy-to-clean trim pieces and a panoramic sunroof. Technicians install seats, dashboards, and infotainment systems, ensuring that all components meet Honda's stringent quality standards. Ergonomics in the assembly of the seat and dashboard design optimize a pleasant drive experience. Seats and large parts are precisely located using automation systems, but fine adjustments and quality inspections are carried out by humans for that high-end fit and finish. During the manufacturing process, there are strict quality control processes. Every vehicle goes through thorough inspections, ranging from automated scans to manual inspections to identify any faults. Functional tests are performed to ensure the functioning of systems like braking, steering, and electronics. Any defects found are addressed immediately to guarantee that all Passports exiting the factory meet Honda's stringent standards. Dynamic test stations simulate the real driving condition, putting the suspension performance, noise insulation, and alignment to the test. The vehicles also go through a rain test chamber where they are sprayed with high-pressure water sprays to ensure that the weatherproofing and seals are of top quality. Any abnormality is rectified before the final preparation process. Honda's Alabama auto plant is dedicated to environmentally sustainable manufacturing. Efforts involve energy-saving lighting, waste minimization initiatives, and water conservation. Reducing emissions and enhancing the productivity of its own manufacturing processes is also a focus of the plant. As part of Honda's world environmental objectives, solar energy projects and intelligent grid technology also help reduce the plant's carbon footprint. Furthermore, Honda has made investments in recycling initiatives that see materials like aluminum and plastic being reused instead of wasted, adding to the environmental sustainability of the company. Once vehicles have cleared all quality tests, they are then ready for distribution. The logistics department arranges Passports transportation to dealerships nationwide. This includes careful planning to make deliveries on time and ensure the vehicles get handled carefully during the journey. The vehicles are transported securely using specially designed carriers that are not likely to cause any damage and keep the vehicles fresh from the factory. Honda uses a sophisticated tracking system to track shipments in real time so that efficient delivery schedules can be maintained. Passport's passage from the factory to the buyer is well managed to ensure that each SUV reaches its destination in pristine condition, ready to explore new horizons. Production of the Honda Passport in the Alabama auto plant shows Honda's commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability. From initial design stages to assembly, every detail is handled with extreme care to produce a vehicle that will address the evolving needs of drivers. Passport's ruggedness, luxury features, and off-road capabilities make it the class-leading mid-size SUV, a reflection of Honda's commitment to excellence in engineering. Every Passport that rolls out of Honda's factory is a testament to Honda's legacy of reliability, responsiveness, and state-of-the-art manufacturing.